Welcome back. You finished your first week. Yes. Okay. So you're gonna have access to this Quarto. This is a Quarto file, in Canvas. But let's go ahead and discuss what's going on here. So what can be done with Spotify data? Okay. Have you ever wondered how are the happy songs you listen to, or how good are the songs? How good are the songs that you listen to that you can actually dance to? These questions are kind of tough to read, but you get the point. So, at the end of the day, can we like generalize some of the music that we actually listen to? Are you like a person that likes happy songs? Are you a person that likes sad songs? And so our data science allows us to actually answer some of these questions, which is really cool. So I actually used to do this activity, long story short, with high school students about like, can they guess what region certain songs are. So this is Olivia Rodrigo. I really don't listen to her music, but I'm pretty sure you do. Maybe you know someone who does. And so what we can do is plot valence versus energy and see where some of Olivia's Rodrigo's songs actually lie. And I'm pretty sure you probably would agree with some of these, okay? But at the end of the day, at the end of this actual academy, you have the capacity to do this, to create a visualization based on some of the music that you actually listen to, which is really cool. And so here, actually, getting security info. Where is getting security info? Oh, okay. So in order for us to do this, you have to actually gain access to your own Spotify data. I'm gonna uncomment that because I did that for you all already. Ignore this. So getting security information, you have to install these two. So what you would do is uncomment these. So you would press Command Shift or Control Shift C, Control Shift C, or you can just delete them, delete the hashtags in front of them, and then you just press this green button. I'm not going to press this green button because I already did this already. Maybe I haven't. I'm pretty sure I did. But you can just go ahead and just run these, and then these should run in your They should work. Once you have access to your once you run these two lines allows you to actually work with Spotify data. Okay, allows you to actually get a relationship with Spotify data. So what I'm going to then do is go to this website. Okay, and so this is where you're going to actually interact with the API. I'll get your API secret and password. So for me, it's already logged in. I'm pretty sure it's already logged in. Okay, it's not. Okay, so traditionally speaking, you're going to log in using your Spotify information. And so Spotify information is by way of Facebook. It's going to ask me, okay, they're automatically logged me in because I already have it through my Facebook. But if you have to log in with your Spotify information, your traditional, email or and your password. Okay. And so creating the app, it's just letting Spotify know that because you're not gonna have Grab artists. Only I do because I do have my information. I already did this before, but I can create a new one. So I'm gonna do that with you all. So creating the app allows you to create an application that gives you access to your data or gives you access to Spotify data. So let's say I'm gonna name this for grab or get, because I already have one that has the same name. Get playlist info. Okay, and then this allows us to get information. Get information. That makes sense. And then we'll say I understand, whatever. We always do the same thing without reading it. Then go ahead and press create. Great, fantastic. So, okay. So this is where I shouldn't. I'm gonna probably blur this out. I'm gonna have to. So this is the client information. Okay, this is where you get your client ID, and then you're gonna show. And I'm not gonna show it right now because that's not smart. So you should copy and paste this into a text document, right? Go to text document, copy down. You say client ID is XXXXX, and then your it's called a password secret. Okay, secret client secret XXXX, and copy and paste it and save it on your desktop in some folder. Just don't put it anywhere that anyone else can gain access to. Okay. So once you do that, once you get this information, let me know if you have any issues. Email me. Let me know if you have any issues. I'm trying my best to make it as straightforward as possible. And so if you have any issues, let me know. And so then once you do that, you're going to copy your client ID into this, copy your client ID into your secret into that, and then you're just gonna run this, and it should. And you have to run this get access. So this allows you. This is allowing us to actually connect to Spotify using our ID and secret. Again, I'm not running this because I don't want to show you my secret password. I have to blur out my ID anyway, and go from there. Because again, it's about security and things in that regard. All right, please. I didn't physically do it because I don't want to show my information online, but please let me know if you have any issues running this. Thank you and have a good day. Okay, so I thought I was done with the video. Sorry, thank you for keep watching. When you install these packages, I just did it just now. I'm just gonna ask you, would you like to update? Press 3. Whenever it says that, press 3. You don't want to update anything. Just press 3 and then go from there. Okay. It's gonna happen twice. So because you're installing the Genius and you're also installing Spotify. Then you're gonna run your code here. So maybe hopefully, okay, we'll see. I already ran this. So once you now have access to the Spotify function, you have to finish module 2 in order for you to then therefore use it. But this is a precursor. You're going to be able to have access to all these functions. Like you can actually get an album from Spotify and analyze its data. And again, I don't want to show it to you here because you need to watch the rest of the 4 videos of the quizzes. All right, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, good luck.